Hello guys, hello everybody. Hi Oscar, I just want to thank you for everything you've done for me. At the beginning when I came here, it was really confusing. I don't know if you remember, I was going to quit on you the second day. I was like, F this, and I was ready to leave. Good thing is I was with my brother, my son. I'm like, hey, you guys learn this, I'm out. Oscar asked me, goes, you go we'll have some lunch. We'll come back and see what you think. We had lunch, we came back, we jumped on it again, and I did really good. I actually made one of the best charts from everybody. And after that I got the hang of it really good, and I built it some confidence. So don't quit. The good thing is my cousin wasn't in, Oscar actually asked me, he goes, were you really going to quit the third day? I'm like, yep, Oscar. He goes, really? I'm like, yes, I was going to quit. But I was lucky my cousin wasn't here in Vegas, or else I was going to leave. So we started laughing. But I just want to thank, Oscar, his family, his kids, for his hospitality, the food. Oh my God, you guys are the best, fun, humble people to work with. You guys are the best. And if I didn't give up, nobody should give up. Thanks for everything, Oscar.